take a look at the Cloud VPS control panel. When you scroll down, you'll see several buttons that control different functions of your VPS. Further down, you'll see several drop-downs that will allow you to resize different components of the VPS while it's in the stopped state. And below that, you'll see pertinent information including your IP address, port, username, and password to your VPS. Now let's take a look at how you reset the password to your VPS. First, you must put your VPS in the stopped state. Once your VPS is stopped, scroll down and click the Reset Password button. Once the password's been reset, a prompt will appear indicating the new password and the screen will refresh. While the VPS is stopped, let's look at resizing your Cloud VPS. In the stop state, scroll down and you'll see several drop-downs that will allow you to resize different components of your VPS. In this example, we're going to reduce the RAM from 4 GB to 1 GB. When you're finished, click Resize VM. When the VM is finished resizing, the page will refresh and a confirmation message will appear. You can then start your VPS and it will be active again. Let's take a look now at how you destroy, recover, and deploy your VPS. To destroy your VPS, scroll down and click the Destroy VM button. A confirmation prompt will appear indicating that you are about to delete all of the data on your VPS. You must type delete in this prompt and then click Destroy VM again. Doing this will put your VM in the destroy state. While your Cloud VM is in the destroyed state, you have a limited amount of time to recover it and bring it back to the state it was before you destroyed it. Recovering your VPS will bring it from the destroyed state to the stopped state, and you will need to start it again to bring your VPS back online. Let's look at how we redeploy our VPS with a completely new operating system. First, we need to destroy the VPS as we did before. It's also important to note that once you've destroyed your VPS, you'll need to wait about 5 minutes for it to completely work itself out of the destroy queue before you're able to deploy it again. When you're ready to redeploy, scroll down and select the options from the drop-down menus. You'll notice now that you have a new drop-down for template, which shows you the different operating systems that are available on the Cloud VM product. Make your choices and click Deploy VM. When the VPS is finished deploying, the screen will refresh and you'll see that your VPS is in the running state. The serial console is a direct connection to the console view of your VPS. Scroll down and click the Serial Console button. A new window will appear showing you the Serial Console login screen. From here you can log in and access your VPS. For more tutorials, visit us online at a2hosting.com/kb.